The cable cast on is a good method to use if you need to add extra stitches at the side of your knitting. I'm going to show you how to add 5 extra stitches here. Begin by inserting the tip of your right hand needle in between the 2 stitches on the left hand needle. Bring the yarn around, pull it through, and place this stitch onto the left hand needle by scooping it up from underneath. And doing it this way will ensure that it isn't twisted when you come to knit it. Let's do that again. So that was 1 stitch. Insert the needle in between the 2 top stitches, around the back, pull it through, place it onto the left hand needle by scooping it up from underneath. So that's 2 stitches. And again, insert the needle in between the 2 top stitches, around the back, pull it through, put it on the left hand needle. So that's 3. And again, four, five, and then I can continue knitting along the cast on stitches and the rest of my work.